I really appreciate what Cinemike is doing for the products. They are trying to reduce the noise floor, improve the audio, and improve the video. And it's interesting to see the products that they have modified. So I'm very supportive of what they're trying to do. We've worked with them now for a little bit. They're modifying the Lumagen product to do enhancements to see if they can reduce the noise floor, reduce the jitter, improve the audio, and improve the video. So we are supportive of that effort. With the Lumagen, I noticed the before and the after. Immediately I noticed the improvement in the audio by reducing the jitter, by reducing the noise floor in the entire system. Cinemike has a improved power supply for the Lumagen, very expensive power supply, so that helps. They reduce the jitter. It definitely was something that you can hear in the high-end system that we listen to at the Cinemike main theater. Definitely noticed a improvement in the audio. What I noticed was the Cinemike version had a more high-end 2-channel sound to it, more emotional, like Mike was saying, you get an emotional connection to the audio when you get that improvement. They've improved the Oppo 203, they've improved the Sony projector they're showing, and the Lumagen is definitely, I definitely hear the sound right away. I heard an improvement in the audio. It's clearer, better sound stage, more open feel. When the jitter of the Radiance was measured, it was measured as one of the lowest in the industry before the mods, and now after the mods it's significantly improved, and that improves audio.